Yo, what's up guys, my name is Angel and welcome back to my channel. From the thumbnail you can know that today I'm going to teach you how to download utorrent. So without getting delay, let's get back into the video. Guys, welcome to my desktop, and first of all, to download the utorrent you must open a new browser. I'm gonna open Google Chrome. So then you type in google.com and then you type utorrent download. If you don't wanna follow this lengthy process, then you can check down in the link in the description below and directly select the link. So let's click down here. Start 2.72 MB, so I think it won't take a long time. Here it's downloading. Small downloads. Yeah, you're done. So click on this post and run. And guys, for notice, if you don't know how to download any movies or anything from the utorrent, then you can check down the link in the description below to check my video of downloading any movies from utorrent. So or you can check somewhere in the screen. At last it will come, so you can click in the link and you can watch the video and know how to download the movies. So let's install it. Next. Here it's installing. So it's already come. So done. You're done. So now open utorrent. So boom, you're done. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for supporting me, guys.